12 personal hygiene mistakes people make every day. Most people like to care for themselves and practice good personal hygiene, but a few severe daily mistakes prevent us from being truly healthy. What are they, and what should we do instead? Let's find out together. But before we start, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you will get all our new videos. Number 12. Biting your nails to cope with stress. Nail biting is one of the most common bad habits out there. Research shows that most people stop biting their nails only by age 30 if they are older. But why exactly do we do it? Sometimes, nail biting can be triggered by emotional or mental stress and used to deal with these feelings. It can become so natural that you might bite your nails without noticing. If you're a nail biter, listen up. Nail biting does nothing good for your appearance, plus your fingers and nails are covered in bacteria that make their way into your body through your mouth when you chew at your nails. So the earlier you kick this habit, the better. Number 11. Cleaning your ears with cotton swabs. Weren't Q-tips made for cleaning out your ears? They're so perfectly shaped to do this, right? Well, even if that's the case, doctors have long been advising against putting cotton swabs in your ears, and that's because the Q-tip can end up pushing excess wax deeper into your ear, which does more harm than good. Cotton swabs can even damage the eardrum and cause hearing loss and other related problems. Try using olive oil instead. According to the American Hearing Research Foundation, putting 2 or 3 drops of olive oil in your ear will soften the earwax and help it work out. This gentle cleaning is way better and safer for you and your health. Number 10. Not washing your hands after using the restroom. This point shouldn't be on this list since everybody knows the importance of washing your hands after using the bathroom. Yet, a simple survey found that 62% of men and 40% of women do not bother to do so. Most of us say we wash our hands when we don't. All jokes aside, scrubbing your hands clean is the best and easiest way to prevent yourself from getting sick. Plus, research shows that after using the restroom, the average person has about 2 million bacteria per inch on their hands. So if you don't wash them away, they stay there and eventually enter your body. Number 9. Not replacing your toothbrush frequently enough. You might think you're practicing good dental hygiene by brushing your teeth daily, but if you're doing it with an old toothbrush, you're not even cleaning your teeth. That's because the bristles collect tons of bacteria over time, usually within a month. Dentists recommend changing your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. Using the same one longer than that can result in some severe health problems, including heart disease. So don't brush your teeth with a bacteria-infested toothbrush, change it often. That way, you'll have a happy, healthy smile and body. Number 8. Brushing your teeth incorrectly. That's right, we make a lot of mistakes when it comes to oral health. Even if you brush your teeth twice a day, as recommended, if you're not doing it correctly, you're not cleaning away all the bacteria and tartar. And again, poor dental hygiene can lead to infections and even heart problems. Dentists recommend brushing your teeth in small circular motions for 2 minutes straight. Make sure to get along your teeth inside and outside surfaces, and remember to brush your tongue. It's also full of bacteria. Following all the rules, your teeth will be pearly white and healthy. Number 7. Skipping on flossing. I know, again, with dental hygiene. It turns out that brushing your teeth isn't enough. Flossing should also be part of your daily oral care routine. It's all about keeping your gums in good condition, which is almost impossible without flossing. Your toothbrush can't possibly reach every nook and cranny, so that's where flossing comes in. It'll remove the hard-to-reach bacteria that can lead to cavities, tooth loss, and gingivitis if left where they are. Make an effort to floss after every meal or at least before you brush your teeth. That'll help you on your way to a gorgeous Hollywood smile. Number 6. Exfoliating your face every day. Exfoliating is so addictive. Who doesn't love that silky smooth feeling of the skin when it's been exfoliated? But knowing the limits isn't just advisable, it's a must. You see, over-exfoliating can wreak havoc on your poor skin. It causes more acne and wrinkles, which nobody wants on their face. Dermatologists say you should exfoliate only twice a week and no more than that. It'll be enough for your skin to stay smooth and fresh looking. Number 5. Not disinfecting things that you use every day. Many people are conscientious about caring for themselves but forget entirely about the objects they use daily. And we're not talking about obvious stuff like your phone or laptop. What about doorknobs, the TV remote, keyboards, and light switches? And that's not even the whole list. You touch these objects several times a day. If you don't disinfect them, tons of bacteria keep growing. Naturally, these bacteria enter your system and get you sick. So please pay attention to all the surfaces you put your hands on every day and remember to wipe them down with antibacterial wipes from time to time, because a clean home is a healthy home. Number 4, using a fluoride toothpaste. That's right, back to the teeth discussion again. This one's surprising, though, since most toothpastes contain fluoride. But recent studies by the American Dentist Association say that fluoride is quite dangerous for your health. Research shows that it's especially detrimental to children's dental health because it can lead to incorrect tooth development and the appearance of white spots on their teeth. Fluoride toothpaste can cause teeth to crumble and even increase aluminum absorption in the brain, contributing to Alzheimer's disease. None of that sounds good, so go for a toothpaste that meets your needs but leaves out the fluoride. Number 3, using cotton pillowcases. Here's a shocking fact: the material of your pillowcase affects your looks. No joke. If you're sleeping on a cotton pillowcase, you could end up looking much older than you are because this material dries out your skin, which leads to premature wrinkling. Not to mention, it damages your hair too. It's better to use silk pillowcases. Silk will quickly give you back what the cotton took away: fresh and healthy looking skin and hair. Number 2, vacuuming too often. As we learned with facial exfoliation, too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. That goes for vacuuming as well. Even if you vacuum daily, it doesn't kill the bacteria hiding in your carpets. And if you don't clean out your vacuum regularly, dirt and dust particles damage your carpet and floor. The best way to eliminate most bacteria is to steam clean your carpets. And remember that if you use your vacuum cleaner about once a week or less, you should change the filter every 3 to 4 months. Number 1, over-clipping your toenails. You might be over-clipping them if you can't figure out why you keep getting painful ingrown toenails. You see, when the toenail is cut too short, the pressure from walking forces the nail to grow into the skin of your toe. And it's about more than clipping too fast. You also have to worry about leaving too rounded or jagged. If part of your nail juts at an uncomfortable angle, it can grow into the surrounding skin. And if you've still made any of these nail clipping mistakes, use an antiseptic to prevent further infection. All these tips are pretty easy to follow. The main point is to be more attentive and proactive when caring for yourself. But you've got some of your hygiene secrets.